Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add profile picture on Teachable. To add a profile picture on Teachable, first of all go ahead and open a web browser. Type in teachable.com in the URL box and search. Log into your Teachable account by entering your login credentials as well. After you are logged into your Teachable account, go ahead and click on the settings button on the left-hand side menu. In order to add a profile picture, you will need to create a Gravatar account. Click on the Create a Gravatar account link at the top right underneath your profile. You will now end up in the Gravatar website. Click on the Get Started Now button at the top right corner. Start the sign-up process by typing in an email address in the text box on the next page. Click the Continue button once you type in your email. You will now receive a mail from Gravatar. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider that you just entered for. Once you open up your email service provider's inbox, you will receive an email from Gravatar. Click it open and you will now need to enter this code in your Gravatar website. Copy the code, get back to the Gravatar website and paste in the code. Once you type in the code in the text box, click on the Continue button. After you verify your email, you can now upload an image to set up as your avatar. Either click on Use Camera and take a picture right away, or click on Upload Image and select your image from your device's camera roll or your device's library. After clicking and uploading an image, you will be able to see it on this display. Go ahead and drag the image and place it on your desired area. You can also crop the images by using the crop tool on your preview. You can also go ahead and add filter and fine-tune your image. You can also add stickers if you want, and finally, after you are done uploading the image, click on Done at the top right. Now it'll take a while to set up your avatar. Wait for a few minutes and you will be able to set up your avatar on Gravatar. Now right after you do that, you will be able to set your profile picture or add a profile picture for Teachable. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.